Kobori nigo kwabekirwe guchiasa omunyakero gobwekiombe kirigete tobachori nechimbibe IBC elasta setakone wesokeana gokwanirengana buna na sekichi biometric osechi machine kyabo bisa ba IBC hau bagendete kuri kyaba kichukura chitari gokora emirimo aniga haya kwana hau mwana siasa swanya fiktogeto yoho tarira bana boda begodi yagesima sechinge kicho hau merana nabo bisabo bagotumia kisimi chokoboko sokubalikia bakechikura watikana naya nigo swanya boigo hamo chiria serikali nene asogotabe ko murubero wokwene kibuno musaye hoyo bwatire kebande nkonyorare asechinga kichibonerete muri kitofatika hatikisemba norgotirwa senchira yoboikirano.
Omwana siasa oyo korwase kaunti ya Nyamira omowakiri Swanya Victor Ogeto nigo amochiria serikali enene ase ugutabwatuka ebibande ochase abasahe ebyo birabakonye ase okubwata chikura ase obwangu
intumbire yaiga ntegetu address at the national level tindo kingange kora IBC ego chaka mass registration lakini mbabwati mass production of IDs. Thank last year, IDs shabana baitu ba registre mbarachi nyura pakabon. Ngaki barachi ko register muna voters na IDs mbabwati. Wada to komanya buna eserekali ye yerangere yero nkie planet.
Okwana korwa gesima imeye wodi ya gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba chingaki chegikaro amo nabana boda igoro yokubasegeta obuya bwokorikiwa punaba kichikura nigoboigo akwanire emechando eyo abwo bakorikia abantu chikura ejo bagenderete gwetera
is in the private phone is in the biometric which is official. These are things that are gazetted. So issue kama hiyo tungependa the chairman of IBC watueleze what exactly are they up to? What exactly are they up to? So I think it's a very important issue that must be addressed, and we ask the chairman to take immediate action to tell the Kenyans whether these biometrics are they working or they are not. Because if it's about connectivity, how can a phone be connected here and the actual biometric equipment it's not working? It does not make sense at all.
Aiga nigo munyakirogo boda Dominic Babu atebabuna nigo barachikubakwanira abana boda bonsi imeye kaunti ya Nyamira eryo kwenekia buna kera oyomo inkubwatare kura na umanyire obuyabu waka ekura
Sajina consideratory about 10,000 across the county the border riders almost 4,500 and something border riders babuati chikura, and that is the mwa bamura bakwenda gukora mobilize abantu baitu babuati chikura
omweri oye nigo Swanya oyuboigo ororekanire wesokia na kurija obugavana bwa Nyamira nigo aira chinga kecho na gukwanira oburai bwa Nyamira ase atebabuna nigo engaki yaikire amaunchorerio abwenerete
ingaki okoegwa more than 75 billion toro kieno ni stadium ya Rosi toro kino icho bisinchiyo amaliyogo tayo ingaki ubu explain engakieye abantu baminto particularly bidana bono kabe macho twara chikadi yechi ekero mwaka gocha 2027 mogoja corona kimotumia chikadi yechi gosengaki moroje nonye ninche boliye genteke mokundire uzo moroje ndaisama
Hinko reportera Getembe koroiga gesima eyegotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti ya Nyamira Jeff Atigad Yesemba